Earlier today, Samsung held a launch event in Seoul, Korea, to launch a bunch of new Fan Edition devices including the Galaxy S23 FE. This new smartphone is the highly awaited successor of the Galaxy S21 FE which debuted back in 2021. Design and display. The Galaxy S23 FE follows the design language of the S23 series with 3 floating cameras on the back. This time, Samsung has brought a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 finish to the S23 FE, and the frame is made out of aluminum. The edges of the device are curved to make gripping easy. The phone is 8.2 mm thick and weighs 209 grams. Like the flagship lineup, the device also features an IP68 water resistance rating. Up front, the smartphone also features a 6.4-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with a centered punch hole, a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz, and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. There is an in-display fingerprint sensor for security. Under the hood, the Galaxy S23 FE has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 for select regions, the same chip present in the Galaxy S22 series devices. Other regions will get a Samsung Exynos 2200 which has a peak clock speed of 2.8 GHz. Geekbench scores of both versions have revealed that there won't be much difference in their performance. The smartphone will be offered in 8GB RAM, with the option of 128GB or 256GB storage. It has a 4500 mAh battery onboard that supports 25-watt fast charging, wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. Samsung claims that you can charge up to 50% of the battery in 30 minutes with the 25-watt wired fast charging. Samsung has also included a vapor chamber cooling system to keep the thermals under control. Out of the box, the phone will offer Android 13, layered with One UI 5.1. Samsung promises 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security updates for the device, meaning that it will get major updates till Android 17. The Galaxy S23 FE comes with an upgraded 50 megapixels primary camera that has f1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization. The 12 megapixels ultrawide sensor covers a 123 FOV with f2.2 aperture. The third sensor on the back is an 8 megapixels telephoto camera with an f2.4 aperture, 3x optical zoom, and optical image stabilization. On the front, it has a 10 megapixels camera with f2.4 aperture and 80 FOV. There are a lot of camera features to play around with including the nightography mode that lets you take clear selfies and portraits after dark. Pro mode gives you control of shutter speed, aperture, ISO, and more. Pricing and availability. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is available in mint, cream, graphite, and purple shades, along with exclusive online options in indigo and tangerine. It starts at a price of $599 and will be available worldwide beginning on October 5.